Bring the Bahamas to your kitchen with a warm slice of my Bahamian Mac and Cheese recipe. Want to start by cooking your elbow macaroni in a large pot of boiling salted water and cook until al dente. In a large bowl, crack all your eggs, then give them a good whisk, and then whisk in your evaporated milk. Mix everything together until nice and smooth, and then set aside. Drain the pasta, and then bring it back to the large pot, and while still hot, add in your pieces of butter. Stir them in until the butter is nice and melted, and then add in your shredded sharp cheddar cheese and stir it in a little bit at a time. For spices, I'm going to add some oregano, smoked paprika, and salt, and for fresh veggies, a chopped onion and bell pepper. Now for heat, traditionally we add a habanero pepper, but I'm going to add a pickled banana pepper right into the mix and then stir everything together. Then pour the evaporated milk mixture into the pot with the macaroni and veggies and stir it in. Transfer the entire macaroni mixture into a 9x13 baking dish and then flatten off the top. Sprinkle the top of the casserole with some more shredded cheddar cheese, and for a little bit of crunch, I like to add a little bit of panko crumbs as well. Transfer the baking dish to a preheated oven until nice and golden. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes, and you're ready to enjoy this delicious Bahamian mac and cheese. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.